I'm embarrassed to say that this is my oven, but it is. And so today I'm going to clean it. And I got in this new steam cleaner and I was really excited to try it. And I knew first thing I need to clean my oven. And so I got to town on it and it did a really good job at just loosening up all that grime that was on there. And then I got on the inside and started cleaning it. And this was so much better than smelling oven cleaner and toxic fumes. And I don't like the self-cleaning feature, which makes the whole house smell terrible. I can't hardly breathe. So I'm really impressed with this little steam cleaner. And then after I got the oven done, I thought, well, I might as well do the door trim. And so it whipped it out in just seconds. And then I decided to do my couch. There's an oily spot there where my husband's been sitting for 7 years and it aggravates me every time I see it. So I worked on that and it did a pretty good job on that too. And so I've put a little button down below if you want to look at it. I'm embarrassed to say